It is so easy to make. This recipe I'm using a half of head of cabbage. I'm using 2 carrots and an onion and a few spices, and that's it. You can use a food processor for this, but I just like to grab this chopper. We like it a little roughly chopped anyway. It's good exercise. I'll put a link to it in the description. I have always used a little bit of celery seed in my coleslaw, and I just love the flavor that it gives. I always dump in white vinegar, whatever I happen to have on hand. It's about a half a cup going in. And then I'm doing 3 spoonfuls of either Miracle Whip or mayo, whichever one you prefer. I don't like to add salt because the salt tends to bring the water out and makes it really runny. So if you can leave the salt out and put that on when you eat it. It is always fun to dig out one of your favorite dishes to make it look extra special. I always like to sprinkle the top of it with celery seed, put it in the refrigerator, and wait until you're ready to eat it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll hit the like button and subscribe.